Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the G200. It's a little Magsafe speaker that we're gonna go ahead and just give a try to. So let's open this one up here and let's see what we got. So this, let's see what it comes with. Okay, I think this is everything here. Is there a manual or anything? Let me see. There is a little manual here on the instructions, and the box is empty, and I have everything here in my hands. So this is the manual. If you need that, you could probably pause it and zoom in. Oh, you probably didn't need the Chinese version unless you're in China. It looks like it has a little charger for USB to USB-C. We have a little Magsafe ring that's stuck on it here, like this here. So if your phone doesn't have Magsafe already, you can use that. And then we have the speaker here. So let's see how this works. There's the little speaker there and the little smiley face for the power button. Let's go ahead. Oh, it lights up. It's got blue on it, and I'm going to try to connect it to my iPhone here that I have. Settings. Okay, so now I connected to the G200 speaker. Whatever that other thing was my Samsung stuff. But okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I have a broken phone, but at least it has MagSafe. So I'm going to put it on there, see, so it kind of stays on. Got a nice little plug on there, and let's go ahead and try like YouTube. Let's see, do I even have YouTube installed? I do. I'm just loading up YouTube here, and I am going to play. Let's see. I'm going to play my video. Oh, I don't know if you hear that. This is my video of me. Wow, that's really good. And holy mackerel, that's loud. That is so cool. Wow. That is, okay, okay, that is super loud and super good. Holy mackerel. That's way good. So then if I go, just for comparison's sake, I'm going to turn off the Bluetooth. Okay, there it's off. And now let me hear how quiet that is and how tinny. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's a total world of difference. This is a really good little speaker. It's cool. So I'm going to say this is awesome. So if you need a little speaker like this one here, the G200 is really cool. Thumbs up for sure.